You produce data. You therefore use management software to produce reference information, business intelligence applications to deliver summaries, and spreadsheets to work with other data. To explain this data and ensure its reliability, it must be identified, up to date, documented, versioned. Simulations, validations, business plans, benchmarks, forecasts, listings, summaries. 37% of companies' strategic data is stored in Excel files. It is therefore time to manage this data that is siloed in files. All it takes is installing xEquiv to identify each dataset, to update and synchronize files, to access comments, to navigate between versions. Install xEquiv in Excel in 2 clicks. It is intuitive, ready to use, and free of charge.